Hi, I'm Sam from HUAWEI Developers, and welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate HUAWEI Safety Detect into your app. To help you quickly build security capabilities for your app, HUAWEI Safety Detect provides functions including System Integrity Check, Malicious URL Check, App Security Check, Fake User Detection, and Malicious Wi-Fi Detection. With the Sys Integrity API, you can check whether the device running your app is secure, for example, whether it is rooted. The URL Check API can check for malicious URLs and determine their threat types, while the Apps Check API provides your app with a list of malicious apps on the device. The User Detect API enables your app to check whether it is interacting with a bot, and the Wi-Fi Detect API helps your app check whether it is connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Next, let's look at how to integrate HUAWEI Safety Detect into your app. First, open Android Studio, select Empty Activity, give your app and app package a name, and click Finish to create an Android project. Then, on the official website of HUAWEI Developers, go to Console, HUAWEI App Gallery, select My Apps, click New, and enter the relevant information to create a project. Click the Develop tab. In the dialog box that is displayed, enter the app package name configured in Android Studio and click Save. On the Develop tab page, click the gear icon in the upper left corner, select Manage APIs, and make sure that Safety Detect is enabled. Click Overview and download the AG Connect Services JSON file. Next, move the downloaded AG Connect Services JSON file to the app directory, open the build Gradle file, add the HUAWEI Maven repository, and add the App Gallery Connect dependency in dependencies. Open the build Gradle file in the app directory, add the App Gallery Connect plugin, add the HUAWEI Safety Detect dependency in dependencies, and add the app signature information. After you've done that, open the ProGuard rules file and add code to exclude the HMS SDK from Obfuscation. Open the activity main file and add several text view blocks for switching between different function UIs of Safety Detect. Open the main activity file, implement the onClick method of onClickListener, and switch to different Fragment UIs based on the clicked button. Create the Safety Detect Sys Integrity API Fragment UI for System Integrity Check, and add the invoke Sys Integrity method. You need to use the Safety Detect capability in this method to check the device that is running your app, pass the returned JSON data in the callback listener, and check whether the value of basic integrity in the passing result is true. If it isn't, this indicates the device running your app is insecure, and information in the advice field will be printed in text view. Create the Safety Detect Apps Check API Fragment UI for App Check. Add the Get Malicious Apps method and execute the Get Malicious Apps list method of Safety Detect Client to obtain a list of malicious apps. After you've obtained the list, execute the callback listener of onSuccess and check whether there are any malicious apps based on the returned data. If there are, print the app information such as the package name and signature and render the information on the UI. Create the Safety Detect URL Check API Fragment UI for malicious URL check. Add the Call URL Check API method, obtain the URL entered by users in the edit text block, and execute the URL Check method of Safety Detect Client to check whether the URL is secure. After that, obtain the URL Checker threat list in the listener callback. If the list is empty, this means that no insecure URL is found. Constants of the URL Checker threat class indicate the supported threat types, including phishing, fraud, homepage tampering, Trojan infection, and malicious app download URLs. Create the Safety Detect User Detect API Fragment UI for fake user detection. Add the detect method and use the user detection method of Safety Detect Client to trigger fake user detection. Obtain the token from the callback listener result and pass it to the verify method to verify the result. The verify method needs to use the cloud capability to check whether the user using the token is fake. If the message user detection succeed and verify succeed is displayed, the user can be considered real and not a bot. And there you go. You've now integrated HUAWEI Safety Detect into your app. Let's launch the demo app to try it out. Launch the demo app and tap Run Detection to check the system integrity. As you can see, the system is secure. Go to the Apps Check UI tap Enable Apps Check to enable the function, and tap Get Malicious Apps List to scan for malicious apps. If malicious apps are detected, information about the apps will be displayed. Go to the URL check UI, select a URL, and tap Check URL to check whether the URL is a malicious one. The check result will be displayed below the URL. After that, go to the User Detect UI and tap Login. On the screen displayed, complete the verification correctly and tap OK. As no server-side code is configured, the message User Detection Succeed but Verify Failed is displayed. If the server-side code is configured correctly, the message User Detection Succeed and Verified Succeed will be displayed. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit the Huawei developers website. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.